Do you want to save time and energy? Then you need to see this home. It's an easy maintenance home, and in addition, this is almost brand new, built in 2025. I can't wait for you to see an easy maintenance home.
Bottoms up. Hurting in my soul, shaking through my core, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up, and face another day. We go bottoms up. Bottoms up.
Welcome to 101 Cameron Chase Avenue in Henderson, Nevada. This one you will definitely enjoy because you have plenty of parking. This home is located in a corner lot, and also you will notice that this neighborhood is almost brand new. This home is built in 2025, therefore your structural warranty is still in place. I can't wait for you to see the entire home. First, you will notice that there is a really nice stonework in front of the house. The exterior is a modern design. You've got 2-car driveway and a 1-car garage. Before you go to the main door, you have this private walkway. Your Amazon deliveries is going to be safe. Welcome to your next beautiful single-story home. First of all, when you arrived here, you will be amazed how the owner maintained it very well. It's only built in 2025, therefore a lot of things is almost brand new. For example, the floors are tiled floors that are wood-like tiles. And one thing special, you've got all the lightings in place already. Definitely amazing lighting and a lot of natural light coming inside this home. If you wanted to see how this looks like when there is a furniture, take a look at the screen. This is the living room area. You can tell it's very spacious. In addition, this is the section where you can put your television, and this particular cabinet is also negotiable. Let's visit the dining area. This dining area already has a chandelier ready to go. Enjoy your dining meals at this particular area. In addition, if you wanted to see how this looks like with a furniture, take a look at the screen. This is how it will look like when you furnish this dining area. Welcome to this kitchen. This kitchen has quartz countertop, plenty of space where you can put your bar stools. In fact, you can put 3 bar stools here. And you've got already the appliances here. You've got stove, microwave, oven, and you've got the refrigerator. Easy concept, maintenance, easy to clean, and also you will have the dishwasher as well. You also have already the tap water for your reverse osmosis. Now, one thing special also is that you don't have to worry about installing the window blinds. It's already installed and everything here is easy maintenance. First, I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by easy maintenance once we go to the backyard. Before you lead to the backyard, you have this door blinds already installed. You also have screen before this sliding door. And I can't wait to show you this gorgeous backyard. Let's do that. Welcome to this spacious backyard. This backyard already has this covered patio. Definitely important during this hot summer in Las Vegas. It's also paved already. I wanted to show you how easy it is to maintain this backyard. This is an artificial grass, therefore you don't need watering. Easy to maintain, you just have to pick up all the dirt, but as you can see, it's pristine. And also, one thing special about this home is that if you come here, you will see that the side entrance here is already finished. So the owner already made sure that you have an easy, comfortable way of going to the side gate there. This one was not finished when the builder turned over this to the owner, but you don't have to worry about this kind of finishes because it's already done for you. Another area that was already finished is this side yard. As you can see, this one is much larger in size, and as you will notice guys, this covered patio is with this stunning sunscreen. Isn't it nice? This will protect you from the sun if you wanted to hang out here, or if you want to have some dinner, coffee in the morning, tequila and mojito in the evening. It's easy to enjoy it here at this covered patio. I also wanted to make sure that you're aware this home is located in a corner lot. That means you don't have an immediate neighbor to the right of this home. Now, I also wanted to make sure you're aware there is already a gas tab ready to go if you wanted to install your barbecue, and also a hose babe. I can't wait for you to see the 3 bedrooms and the 2 full bathrooms. Let's do that. First, let's visit the secondary bedrooms. Welcome to the first secondary bedroom. If you wanted to see how this looks like with the furniture, take a look at the screen. And in addition, I wanted to inform you there is already blind installed at this bedroom. This bedroom shares 1 full bathroom here. This bathroom comes with this fiberglass round tub, which is easy to maintain and clean. Before we lead to the other secondary bedroom, there is already a washer and dryer. Look at how modern and huge the washer and dryer is. Welcome to the other secondary bedroom. If you want to see how this looks like with the furniture, take a look at the screen. Now, one thing you will notice about this floor plan, Your two secondary bedrooms are located near the kitchen area, while your primary bedroom is located all the way there, giving you so much privacy at your primary bedroom. Let's check it out. Welcome to this primary bedroom. A king-size bed will fit in here easily, no problem. If you wanted to see how this looks like with a furniture, take a look at the screen. Plenty of natural light coming inside this primary bedroom because of these two windows here and another window at this side of the headboard. Now let's visit the primary bathroom. Welcome to this primary full bathroom. First, you've got quartz countertop, right? Very easy to clean, and also double sink. And you've got this easy to clean and easy maintenance fiberglass surround shower where you have also a glass door. And you will have also a pretty good size primary walk-in closet where you can store your Louis Vuittons, Hermes bags, Michael Korses, or Chanel bags. This is the entrance to the one-car garage. And in addition, I wanted to let you know, guys, the owner already installed the soft water loop system so that you don't have to install that. That is for your soft water. And I can't wait for you to park your Lamborghini, Tesla, McLaren, Rolls-Royce, or whatever you have in life and enjoy living here in Cadence, Henderson. Okay, I can't wait for you to tour this home. Definitely, guys, contact me 725-287-5242. Before we leave, I wanted to mention the monthly HOA is $126 per month, and it includes a really nice Wi-Fi connection already. So that's really awesome. That means if you consider the Wi-Fi nowadays, then definitely you'll see that the HOA is really below 100 before the Wi-Fi. I cannot wait for you to enjoy your life here in Cadence. Why? Because there are plenty of parks, and don't forget to watch the bonus footage because I showed you the amazing Grand Cadence Park where people of this neighborhood are enjoying. Until next time, guys, don't forget, this is $435,000. Address is 101 Cameron Chase Avenue in the amazing Henderson, Nevada. An easy maintenance home. You'll save plenty of time and energy. Thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you all. Welcome to Grand Central Park. This one is 5-minute drive to the 101 Cameron Chase Avenue, Henderson, Nevada. It all starts here. I can't wait for you to enjoy your life here in Cadence, Henderson, wherein you will enjoy a massive green park. In fact, these are natural grass already maintained by the entire Cadence Association. Let's go further there so you can see how beautiful the man-made lake is. Before we go to the man-made lake, I wanted to show you guys that if you have kids, they will enjoy this amazing playground area. There is also a section here for you to enjoy some picnic. And for those who are having a lot of fur babies, this is the great spot for your fur babies to enjoy walking, running, beautiful greeneries. I can't wait. Isn't it nice? You have this body of water in the middle of the desert. Here in Las Vegas, it's all about size. This is man-made lake, guys. Definitely amazing to see this. And also, there are benches here where you can sit here, relax during the evening, and watch the sunset going to the west. And not only that, when you're further away from the very top of this community park, you will enjoy the Las Vegas Strip view. They usually hold events here. Sometimes I can see some people having some music event. That's amazing to have when you live in a community where people are enjoying parks, music, and it's about time to enjoy. Life is short. I can't wait for you to enjoy your life in Cadence, Henderson. Many people here during the evening, for example, are walking, running. You will stay healthy if you live here. I can't wait for you to enjoy and tour 101 Cameron Chase Avenue in Las Vegas, Nevada, only 5 minutes away from this amazing Grand Central Park. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoy this tour. I can't wait. Contact me 725-287-5242 and we will tour this grand park and the home. See you next time. Have an amazing day today.